Hello student. Today we'll start the remaining part of the bit growth hormones of the topic plant growth and mineral nutrition. First we see the cytokinin. The next growth hormone is cytokinin. It is growth promoting hormone. Cytokinin is growth hormone that promotes cell division. So it is cell division hormone. The term cytokinin was coined by Litham. The first cytokinin was discovered by Skoog and Miller in 1954 during investigation of nutritional requirements of callus tissue culture of Nicotiana tabacum, that is tobacco. In tissue culture technique, callus required the growth hormones. That time he observed or he discovered this hormone. They observed that the callus proliferated when the nutrient medium was supplemented with coconut milk and degraded samples of DNA obtained from herring sperms. They named it as kinetin. Chemically, kinin are 6 furfuryl aminopurine. First natural cytokinin was obtained from unripe maize grains by Litham et al. It is known as zeatin. 6-benzyl adenine is a synthetic cytokinin hormone. 7 different types of cytokinins are recorded from plants. Natural cytokinin are also reported from plants like banana, flowers, apple and tomato fruits, coconut milk, etc. Then the physiological effects and application of cytokinin. It is cell division hormone or it causes cell division, so it promotes cell division as well as cell enlargement, ultimately increases the length of the plant. High concentration of cytokinin promotes shooting, and a low ratio of cytokinin to auxin induces root development. High ratio of cytokinin to auxin causes buds and shoot development. Cytokinins and auxins ratio and their interaction controls morphogenic differentiation. It promotes the growth of lateral buds and control apical dominance by cell division. It delays the senescence or aging and abscission process in plant organ, reported by Richmond and Lang in 1957. Formation of intravesicular cambium and expansion of cells and other functions. It also breaks the seed dormancy and the seed germination. Cytokinin reverse apical dominance effect. It induces RNA synthesis and formation of intravesicular cambium. These are the physiological effect and application of cytokinin. As well as cytokinin, it is a growth promoting hormone, that is auxins, gibberellins and cytokinin. These three hormones are growth promoting hormones. Now we will see next two hormones. These are growth inhibitor hormones or growth inhibiting hormones. They are known as ethylene and abscisic acid or abscisic acid. First, we will see ethylene. It is the only gaseous growth regulator. Ethylene is effective in fruit ripening and reported by Denny in 1924. While Gane in 1934 established that plants naturally synthesize ethylene. Crocker proposed that ethylene is the plant hormone responsible for fruit ripening. It is simple gaseous hydrocarbon with essential role in the fruit ripening. The most widely used compound as a source of ethylene is ethapone. It is synthesized in roots, shoot, apical meristem, and ripening fruits. Now, physiological effect and application of ethylene. It promotes ripening of fruits like bananas, apples, and mangoes. It stimulates initiation of lateral roots in plants and breaks the dormancy of bud and seed. It accelerates the abscission activity in leaves, flowers, and fruits by forming of abscission layer. It inhibits the growth of lateral buds and causes apical dominance and retards flowering. It is associated with the enlargement of process of senescence of plants organs. It inhibits flowering in most of the plants except pineapple. It causes epinasty. What is by epinasty? That is drooping of leaves and flower. They are known as epinasty. It increases the activity of chlorophyllase enzyme, causing degreening effect in banana and citrus fruit. These are the physiological effects of hormone ethylene. These are the growth. This is the growth inhibiting hormone. Now, next hormone is abscisic acid. It is also growth inhibiting hormone. It is natural growth inhibiting hormone. Carnes and Adicott in 1961 to 65 observed that the shading of cotton balls was due to chemical substances abscissine 1 and 2. Wherein 1963 isolated a substance from buds of acer that can induce bud dormancy and named it dormine. These two identical chemical substances were given the name common name abscisic acid. It is synthesized in leaves, fruits, roots, seeds, etc. Chemically, it is a 15 carbon cis quiterpenoid and is synthesized from malonic acid. Now, the that is the physiological effects and application of ABA. First one, it promotes abscission of leaves and induces dormancy in many plants. It controls the dormancy in bud and seed by inhibiting growth processes. It accelerates the senescence of leaves, flower, and fruit. It inhibits and delays the cell division and cell elongation. It suppresses cambium activity by inhibiting mitosis in vascular cambium. ABA, that is abscisic acid, could cause efflux of K plus ions from the guard cell and result in closure of stomata. So it is known as anti-transparent. It acts as stress hormone by inducing the plant to bear the adverse environmental conditions. It inhibits flowering in long day plants but stimulates flowering in short day plants. Here, the completion of growth hormone bit, in which we will study or we will study five hormones, out of which auxins, gibberellins, and cytokinins. These three are growth promoting organs, while ethylene and abscisic acid, these two are growth inhibiting hormones or growth inhibitors. Okay, here the completion of growth hormones bit. Okay, thank you.